Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this algebra problem, quadratic exponent for the value of x. So we are given x to the power of x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 2x plus 1. To solve this, we start with the power of this, and we have x to the power of, so x squared minus 2x plus 1, we can rewrite it as x minus 1 square equals, so while for this 2x plus 1, we can also rewrite it as x minus 1. So we are going to manipulate this, and by the manipulation of it, we are going to have 2 bracket x minus 1. So now when we expand this, we are going to get 2x minus 2. Then what we have here is 2x plus 1. It means that we are going to add plus 3 to this. So the next thing to do is we are going to let x minus 1 to be another variable. And suppose I choose x minus 1 equals y. So by making x the subject of the formula, here x equals y plus 1. That is, anywhere we have x minus 1, we replace it with y. And anywhere we have x only, we are going to replace it with y plus 1. So the base of this becomes y plus 1 bracket raised to power of y squared equals 2y plus 3. So then, by raising both sides by 2, we have y plus 1 raised to power of y squared, all raised to power of 2 equals 2y plus 3 raised to power of 2. So by the properties of indices, if you have y squared and we have these two like this, they can switch each other, that is, they can replace each other. So let's do the replacement. We have y plus 1, so it raised to power of 2, then everything raised to power of y squared equals, and suppose I start this with 3 instead of 2y, then we have 3 plus 2y all raised to power of 2. Next, when we expand this y plus 1 square, what we are going to have is we have y squared plus 2y plus 1 all raised to power of y squared equals, again, if I break this 3 into the sum of 2 plus 1 plus 2y raised to power of 2. Next, we have, here is y squared plus, so when I bracket this, we have it as 1 plus 2y raised to power of y squared equals, for this we have 2 plus, open bracket, 1 plus 2y all to the power of 2. So on getting to this stage, what we do next is we are going to do the comparison, because if you check this, y squared is 2 here, and here is 1 plus 2y, where we have 1 plus 2y here, and the power of them, which is y squared, is also equals to. So we can now conclude that y squared here equals 2. And if y equals 2, by taking the square root of both sides, we have y equals plus or minus root 2. So if this is the value of y, but what we need is the value of x. So that's going to recall from where we let x equals y plus 1, and we substitute it in this. So we have x equals y plus 1. And by replacing y with plus or minus 1, we get x, which is plus or minus root 2 plus 1. And for the normal writing of it, we have x equals 1 plus or minus root 2. And this gives the solution to this problem. And as usual, we are done. Thanks for watching. And if you have another way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box. I will really appreciate it. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting math content like this and more. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.